Okay, guys, so the question says four local stores sell the same brand of cheddar cheese. The table below shows how much each store charges. So we have store A, store B, store C, store D. So store A, for 2 pounds of cheddar cheese, the price is $9. For store B, the price for 5 pounds of cheddar cheese is $8.50. The price for 6 pounds of cheddar cheese at store C is $4.50, and the price of 9 pounds of cheese at store D is $18. And the question says which store has the lowest price per pound for the cheese? So when you see that per, you know that we're dealing with unit rate because per refers to one and unit rate refers to one. Okay, so in order to figure out which store has the lowest price per pound or unit rate, we need to find out what the unit rate is at each store. So we're going to start off with store A. So to do that, you have to find the constant of proportionality. So the amount is going to be your X and the price is going to be your Y. So for store A, all I'm going to do is take my price, which is $9, and divide it by 2. And I could just plug that in the calculator. So notice I gave you guys the link here. Use it. So I have $9 divided by 2. Okay, so I have 4.5 or $4.50 per pound. Okay, so this means that at store A, the price per pound for cheese, so each pound of cheese costs $4.50. Okay, so each pound of cheese at store A costs $4.50. Okay, so my unit rate is 1 pound equals $4.50. Now for store B, I'm going to do the same process. 850 divided by $5. So I know that it costs me $8.50 for 5 pounds. So doing this is going to help me to figure out how much each pound of cheese costs at B, store B. So I'm going to do 850 divided by 5, and that's $1.70. So at store B, we have $1.70 per pound. So each pound of cheese costs $1.70. So now we're going to do the same thing for store C. Store C. Okay. So we're going to do 450 divided by 6. Same thing. Notice, guys, I'm doing the same thing. Nothing is changing. I'm finding my constant of proportionality. Okay, 450 divided by 6, that's 75 cents. So at store C, each pound of cheese costs 75 cents. Okay. And then last but not least, store D. Let me just put it in full screen. Store D. Just doing that in another color. I'm just going to put D just because I'm on a time limit. Okay. So we have $18 divided by 2. If you already know 18 divided by 2, you know it's 9, but it does not hurt to use the calculator. When you do $18 divided by 2, 9. So at store D, the price of cheese is $9 per pound. So which store has the lowest price per pound? It's going to be store C because store C has 75 cents as opposed to stores A, B, and D, which have $4.50, $1.70, and $9. So that will be your explanation.